Everyone wants that trendy layered cut scene in Pinterest photos. But the real problem is that even if you show your barber those exact photos, your hair never ends up looking like that. You might think the issue is your hair type or structure, but that's not true. The actual problem is that without proper layering, hair has no direction, no movement, and no flow. And the truth is, most barbers don't even know how to layer correctly. Just look at these photos. In the first photo, the hair isn't layered, so it falls straight back without shape or movement. But in the second photo, look at how the hair flows naturally toward the back with proper shape and smooth movement. This is the power of a clean layered cut. Layering doesn't just adjust the length. It gives hair direction, balances volume, and frames the face better. That's why a layered cut completely changes your face and overall style. Today, I'll tell you a simple 3-step process so you can get a perfect layered cut every time without confusion. Step 1. The awkward phase. The first step to growing long hair is the awkward phase. You have to grow your hair for at least 3 consecutive months. No cutting, no trimming, and don't even fix the sides. And yes, this phase is quite awkward. First, you'll have to pass a patience test because, in the beginning, hair doesn't look good. It looks confusing. Your hair won't listen to you. It will stick out in random directions, cover your forehead, or get puffy. It will even be uncomfortable to sleep because hair keeps getting in your face, sometimes in your eyes, sometimes in your nose. And honestly, sometimes you'll feel like an old man. But the truth is, this is exactly where most people give up, and that's exactly where the difference is made. Every guy whose long hair looks amazing has gone through this phase. There are no shortcuts. If you want a clean, flowy, and attractive long hair look, you have to survive these 3 months of messy hair. And since you are planning to keep long hair, proper care from the start is essential. Shampoo, conditioner routines, oiling, brushing, and frizz control all matter. Growing hair is easy, but finding a good barber is actually the biggest challenge. The reality is that most local barbers only know basic cuts, short fades on the sides, and leaving a little length on top. These cuts are fine for short hair, but not for long hair, because long hair requires layering, movement, and shape. The problem is that normal barbers don't know how to cut layers correctly. They cut the hair straight, which causes the bulk to pile up in one place, making the hair look flat and completely ruining the flow. So, stay away from the types of barbers who only do fades, who finish haircuts too quickly, or who don't understand long hair structure. You need someone who cuts hair with scissors, not just clippers. Someone who understands texture, layers, and creating a shape according to the face. Someone who thinks about making hair balanced and flowy, and not just short or long. At this stage, the wrong barber can ruin 3 months of growth in a single cut. Because of this, you only have 2 real options. The salon route. Go to a slightly more expensive, professional salon. Stylists there know layering, understand long hair, and can bring out your hair's full potential. Teach your barber. If you don't want to pay salon prices, you'll have to guide your normal barber step by step. Step 3. Train your barber. Now, let's talk about the most important part. How to guide the barber. Good haircuts don't come from luck. They come from clear instructions. Section the hair correctly. First, tell him to section the hair properly. It's essential to divide the hair into 4 sections: top, left side, right side, and back. This sounds basic, but it's where most mistakes happen. Without sections, layers become uneven. Keep top hair slightly shorter than the sides. For long hairstyles and smooth flow, the top hair should be a bit shorter and the sides a bit longer, so the face is framed properly. If the top and sides are the same length, the hair will look flat or create a triangle shape, which isn't aesthetic. Tell him clearly to keep the front hair long enough to reach the tip of your nose, but keep the sides slightly longer than the top for a natural fall. Add texture in the back. Tell him to add texture to the back section using scissors or a razor. Texturing is very important because it's the step that turns an average haircut into a premium one. Texture gives the hair movement, removes extra bulk, and creates natural curves. Without it, hair looks flat, straight, and lifeless. This is exactly how K-pop flow and modern layered hairstyles are cut. If you have trouble growing hair or can't maintain proper care, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to join us for more videos like this in the future. Bye.